Here I have Huawei Honor 20i, and today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on this device. So firstly, you will have to open settings, then you will have to enter sound and vibration section, and here you have this option phone ringtone. You can select your ringtone here. You can disable ringtone here. You can also select one of the preset ringtones, like one of those from this list. You can select one from the music on your device, like if you have any audio files on your device, they will display it here, I guess, and then you can set them as your ringtone. You can also set video ringtones. I'll just select one of the preset, for example this sax. I like it very much. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.